vRoid Studio was updated and I have gotten a lot of questions if the PMX exporter works with these models, and the answer is yes. It works exactly the same. Drag and drop the model in the hierarchy, add the PMX exporter component, add the right settings, and then click export. However, if you check the model in PMXeditor, you will notice that very few expressions will be translated and not like in the previous versions of vRoid. So after checking out the code and asking for permission to modify it, I modified the script to fit the new vRoid models. I also went one step further, and the script will also add the groove bone, so you don't need to edit a lot the model. Here is how it works. For this you need Unity 3D and the package that will be in the description. Create a new Unity project and choose the 3D template. First, drag and drop this UniVRM version that is included in the file. Then drag and drop your exporter edit, and now you can create a new folder for your avatar. Import your avatar, drag and drop it to the hierarchy, and add the PMX exporter component. Now you have the best settings by default. Just right click here and choose Export PMX. Remember to have one specific folder for your model. In case Unity doesn't generate the folders and the prefab, just reset it by closing it and opening it again. If you check the model in PMXeditor, you will notice that now the expressions are translated. The expressions that are not translated are not used by any motion, so there is no difference if they are not translated. And the group bone is set, so you can pretty much straight up set up the dances in Miku Miku Dance. From here it's up to you to change the looks or optimize the model. If you want to optimize a little bit the model, just delete the bones between the master bone and the center bone. Then delete the root bone and you're pretty much good to go. But if this file size is still too much for you, this is completely optional, but if you want to do it, you need Blender and the CATS plugin, both links in the description. Open Blender and with the CATS plugin import your model. Just click Separate by Materials and then export it just like that. And as you can see, the file size is way less than before. Now your model is pretty much ready. But if you want to use an advanced motion like the Project Diva ones, you can check out this video where I explain the setup and more tricks to optimize the models. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and this is all for now. See you next time!